Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are good. So today the topic of our discussion is to determine the value of tan 15 by using half angle formula. Basically our today's video has two main parts. First we will do an error analysis. The error analysis of how the students approach in a wrong way to solve the questions using half angle formula. As you see in this picture, this is totally a wrong approach to solve a problem using half angle formula. Second, we will solve the problem by correct approach. So stay tuned till the end of the video. So the main key point to solve the questions using half angle formula is we have tan or any trigonometric ratio and a half angle alpha over 2. This is not equals to 1 over 2 tan alpha. This is the major mistake which students do while solving the question in the paper. They take this 2 outside the expression and then they put the value of this alpha, and solving the question in the last they multiply this 2 with the value of the denominator and write the final answer, which is a very wrong approach, as I also showed you in the starting of my video. So that is not a correct way to solve the question. So now we will do the question by using the correct approach. Solution. We have tan alpha over 2, right? Here we have tan 15. So writing this angle 15 in the form of half angle, can we write tan 15 equals to 30 degrees over 2? 30 degrees over 2 is equals to 15. So it means we can write 15 as equals to this expression. So from here we infer that this 30 degrees is the value of alpha in this case. Alpha is equals to 30 degrees. Now as in the previous lecture we discussed half angle formulas, and we know tan alpha is equals to 1 minus cos alpha divided by 1 plus cos alpha. Here we have the value of alpha 30 degrees. So writing tan 30 degrees is equals to 1 minus cos 30 degrees divided by 1 plus cos 30 degrees, right? And here we have a positive and negative sign. When the answer is given by a square root, one needs to determine the square by checking out the slope of the line. In this case, a line through the origin making an angle of 30 degrees and has a positive slope. So it means the answer will be a positive sign. Tan 30 degrees is equals to a positive sign. The value of cos 30 is under root 3 divided by 2 divided by 1 plus under root 3 divided by 2. So this is the value for cos 30 degrees. Now taking LCM, tan 30 is equals to, the LCM of the numerator is 2, and here we have 2 minus under root 3. The general method of taking the LCM, divided by 2 plus under root 3 divided by 2. Okay. Now this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and we have the expression tan 30 degrees is equals to 2 minus under root 3 divided by 2 plus under root 3. Now in this step we will rationalize the term. In rationalization, we multiply and divide with the number which is in the denominator. The only difference is the difference of a sign. Here we have a positive sign. When we will rationalize with 2 minus under root 3. Two minus under root 3 and 2 minus under root 3. Now this is equals to 2 minus under root 3 multiplication with 2 minus under root 3. It means we can write 2 minus under root 3 whole square divided by 2 plus under root 3 and 2 minus under root 3. It means this is a plus b into a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. So writing 2 square minus under root 3 square and this under root sign. Now separating out the radical sign of the numerator and denominator. In the numerator we have 2 minus under root 3 whole square divided by, in the denominator we have 3 whole square. So this is equals to, this square will be cancelled out with this square root and we have 2 minus under root 3 divided by, this is 2, the square of 2 is 4, minus this square will be cancelled out with the square root and we have 4 minus 3 under root. So 4 minus 3 is 1 and the square root of 1 is 1. So the final answer is 2 minus under root 3. So I hope you like this video. So give this video a thumb up and give your feedback in the comment section also. See you in the next video. Take care.